Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you the top 3 best widgets for the home screen of this Sony Xperia Pro-I. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, in order to add or manage widgets overall, you just gotta find any vacant space on any of your home screens. Tap and hold, choose widgets, and well, I think I've misclicked, so you gotta tap and hold widgets, and yep, now you have the full list of categories of widgets that you can add to the home screen of your device. The first widget is obviously a clock widget, so it's definitely a must-have thing on your home screen. So you just choose any design you'd like. I'll go with this one and choose it. So in order to add the widget, you gotta tap and hold on the design that you have chosen, choose the home screen, and place it right here. As you can see, the beautiful clock widget has been successfully added to the home screen. In order to rotate it, it's very easy. You just long hold on the widget and now you can place it wherever, or you can also remove it by dragging it to this remove text and cross icon, but I don't know what to remove it as for right now. The next widget that I want to recommend that you use is the very standard but such a necessary thing to have, which is the Google search bar. So you have the access to the whole Google search engine system in a few taps. In order to find it, just look for the Google section. Here you have search. You gotta tap, hold, and place it wherever you want, wherever you feel like placing. I'll just leave it here. Not here, come on. I wanted to leave it here. I wanted to drag my clock widget a little upwards and place the search bar here and widen it a little bit, just like that. And the final, the third and the final widget that I would highly recommend on adding, let me find it real quick. So it's the Contact Widget, which basically just allows you to either drop out the contact from your contact book to the home screen in order to have a quick access to its profile, or direct dial function, which you can basically just also add as a widget, and this widget will allow you to just call any of your contacts in a single tap, or just a direct message, which is pretty much the direct dial but for messages. As for right now, I'll just go ahead with the simple contact widget and add it here. Now the phone asks us to choose what contact do we want to particularly drag onto the home screen. I'll just add that, or hard reset, doesn't really matter. And after that, just by tapping on this icon, you'll see that the profile, the contact profile, is going to be opened. So it's pretty convenient in case you need some very close people of yours, or very close people from the contact book you have on this phone, to always be on the tips of your fingers. And that was it, not only for this widget but for this video in whole. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to leave like, comment, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.